Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious ramen soup base using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of dashi, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of mirin. Also, prepare your fresh aromatics like a couple of cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and some green onions. Make sure you have a medium saucepan ready on your stovetop. This quick approach will give you a flavorful base in under 30 minutes. Now let's start building that incredible flavor. In your saucepan, combine 2 cups of dashi, which is a Japanese stock, with 1/2 cup of good quality soy sauce. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of mirin. This adds a lovely subtle sweetness and depth. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger and 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. These aromatics are key to a rich, authentic taste. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to bring them together. Place your saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Do not let it boil vigorously. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to truly meld and deepen. As it simmers, you might see some foam rise. Simply skim it off for a clearer, more refined broth. Almost done. For a final touch, stir in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil right at the end. This adds a wonderful nutty aroma. Now, taste your soup base and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a small pinch of salt or a dash more soy sauce. You can strain the base for a smoother texture or leave the aromatics in for more rustic appeal. Enjoy your homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.